Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the question, can Emma send me spending alerts? The short answer is yes. The Emma Money Management app can send you alerts about your spending and other financial activity. Emma is designed to be a financial advocate, helping you manage your money and budget effectively. Since it links to all your bank accounts, it can monitor your transactions and spending habits to keep you informed. Here are some of the key alerts and notifications Emma offers. Budget alerts. You can set budgets within the app, and Emma can send you real-time notifications when you are getting close to your spending limits for a specific category or period. This helps you prevent overspending. Daily balance notifications. Emma provides daily balance notifications, which give you an update on your selected account balances. Overdraft alerts. The app is specifically designed to help you avoid overdrafts and provides overdraft alerts to warn you if your account balance is getting low, often based on upcoming bills or subscriptions. Recurring payments/bill reminders. It tracks your subscriptions and recurring payments and can send you reminders about upcoming bills so you never miss a payment and can stay prepared. It can also provide volatility alerts for investments. In short, Emma uses its connection to your accounts and its smart tracking features to send various alerts, making it an effective tool for tracking your expenses and staying on top of your financial goals. You can typically manage and edit your notification preferences within the app settings. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.